Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just like I said from my previous video, we are going to break another retail box. This time, this is the Panini Prizm 21 to 22 basketball NBA trading cards. So I was able to find this from my local Walmart last week. So without further ado, we're gonna start, and we're trying to look for 3 blasters exclusive ice prisms. There are 4 cards per pack, and there's gonna be six packs per box. So again, this is the retail version. The hobby is too long of a reach for my taste, and I'm not ready to spend that much on a hobby box yet. However, I do have a Recon hobby box that I purchased because I like the Recon. So the Prizm is like what, $500? Yeah, that's too far for me right now. So with this being said, we are going to see what's inside, and yeah, we can randomly pull some inserts. Base Prizm, silver green, 75th anniversary, ice purple wave. So you can see right there. And let's begin. Hopefully I pull a Cade Cunningham one. If it's not, that's fine. So there you go. We'll start with our first one. All right, cheers to you guys. Let's see what's going to be inside. Okay, we got Jeremy Grant. No, we're not started strong. So 4 cards per pack. Keldon Johnson. We got Desmond Bane. I like him. Ooh, this is the ice. We got Marcus Howard. It is not numbered, so we'll keep him. That's good. All right. We'll see. Ooh, I can see ice again. All right. Make sure we don't ruin the surprise. Come on. It's ruining the experience for me. Ooh, it's always backwards. All right. Let's get these gloves on. Ooh, Zion Williamson. Okay. That's actually my first Zion Williamson card. We got Obi Toppin. Ooh, this is green. Insert Mason Plumlee. And now we have Ben Wallace. Ice. Okay. I like those. So far, no numbered card. Let's pray to the card gods that we scored a good one today. Ta-da! Marcus Smart. Dwayne Bacon. Ooh, what's this one? This is blue. Okay, I'm gonna have to look this up. But it has NBA logo on the corners. So we got Kevin Love. Ooh, we got 75th anniversary. None other than Charles Barkley. Okay, I do love Chuck. I used to collect his cards as well when he used to play for Phoenix Suns a long time ago. So that's a good one. Okay, so I like that as well. We gotta keep moving here. All right, while I insert this one, let me know what you guys like. Do you guys prefer hobby? You guys prefer retail? I do like both, but again, I do have budget that I try to set. This is because I rip this packs for fun, and I do box breaks every now and then of high-end boxes, such as the Recon. So I do have that, which we are going to break that and rip the packs later on, maybe next week or in next several days. So okay, see. All right, we got Kyrie Irving. That's base. We got Derek Favor. Oh, we do have a signature one. Oh my God! Penmanship, James Donaldson. I don't know who he is, but he plays for the Dallas Mavericks. That's a signature. That's an auto hit for today, boys. Okay. It is a PM JDL. So we are going to sleeve that. I gotta look James Donaldson now. It is. Make sure we got top loaders. Smack that thing. Okay. Ooh. We got a rookie card, guys. We got James Bouknight. Instant impact. We're on a roll. We're on a roll, guys. I'm shaking. This is a good sign. So, all right, let's keep moving. We got two more. Okay. Gotta work on my rip skills. That James Donaldson auto. Danny Green. We got Reggie Bullock. We got Scotty Lewis. We got a rookie card, and we have Jalen Johnson from the Atlanta Hawks. Wish I could have scored a Trae Young, but we'll take that. Okay, here's the last one, guys. Let's go. I do have another Prizm retail box, which I'm going to save for later. So we'll see. Okay, it's the last one. Let's go. We got Lauri Markkanen from the Cleveland Cavaliers. We got Luguentz Dort. We got Mason Plumlee. I already have his card. Ooh, this is an ice. Kyrie Irving. Okay, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. We scored an ice. I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but from a close-up, right there. Sure. Yeah, so my last, we hit a Kyrie Irving right there. That's beautiful. That's an ice. It is not numbered. However, we'll take it. Okay, just a recap. We do have two Kyrie Irving? No way. Okay, so this is the base. That's the base. I forgot I have another Kyrie Irving. That's the base. Our last one was actually an ice. So that's a recap. Let's do a recap, guys. Let's do a recap. So from my base, we got Ben Wallace. Then we got a Marcus Plumlee green. We do have a Zion Williamson base. Then we got an ice Marcus Howard and a Desmond Bane base. And also, out of that pack, we scored an emergent Jalen Johnson. We got Kevin Love. I don't know. I'll have to look this up. It's pretty. It's blue and it has the NBA logo around it. Let me know. Comment down below what this is. So, but it's beautiful. It is not numbered. Yeah, it's not numbered. Then we got Charles Barkley, the 75th anniversary. That's beautiful as well. That's pretty. And then we got Kyrie Irving for the ice. And last but not least, we got an instant impact rookie James Bouknight out of the Charlotte Hornets. So that ends the and also nothing but least, we got a James Donaldson auto hit today. It is not numbered, however, it is an auto hit. So I have to look him up. I don't know who he is. But yeah, I'm just lucky to have an auto hit today. So if you guys have any comments, questions, comment down below. I'll edit this video and post, and I'll break and rip more packs and boxes. See you guys in the next video. Peace.